Hey everyone, welcome back to the Open Coder. Today I'm going to be going over a quick introduction to getting set up with Open Web Components. So first we'll get started. You're going to need to download Node.js on your computer. Did this before I started filming just so you didn't have to watch me click some install buttons, but just do all the basic install. I'd suggest doing LTS just so you have long-term support and you don't need all the new stuff on there. And then once you're done with that, open up your terminal and we need to install yarn. So you can do that with npm, which was installed with Node. Install -g, that's just going to mean it's going to install it globally instead of in just one directory. Yarn. And I already have it installed, so it should say, it probably just updated it, I think. And so now that we have Node, you can see my Node version here, and we have yarn, that go into this folder. We type npm init @open-wc. And so yeah, we need to install OpenWC. And now you have this kind of menu for Open Web Components. So what we're going to do is you can either create a new one or upgrade an old project. We're going to make a new one. We'll just do a web component. And to toggle these, you just hit spacebar, or I'm just going to hit A and do all of them. And we're not going to do TypeScript. And then we're going to call this hello world. So you can't have capital letters, and you need at least one dash in the tag, or else when you put this in any sort of HTML file, it'll freak out. So the way we have it right now will work. And this is just showing us the structure of our folder for the web component. So you can see we selected Storybook and Demo and Stories, all that. So it created those folders for us. And it automatically gives us a README and does all the package magic that we need for it to work. So we hit yes. We can install with yarn. And then we'll just let this play out. Okay, so I cut that part of the recording out so you didn't have to watch all this install. It took only about maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Oh, let's see here, a minute and a half. So now we should just be able to change into this hello world component. But that won't work on here. Oh, yeah, we have all of the stuff in that directory. And this says we can start it with npm run start, so let's see what happens. All right, and this is our first web component. I'll increment that number.